Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, you're going to be learning how to do a really creative and cute wedding up style. It could be used for any type of style, but in this particular one, we're calling it a bridal style. And I'm just securing the hair all the way back using a Hairmaster Session bungee. It's a silicone bungee and it has tiny hooks on it. These are amazing. I have them in yellow, brown, black, also pink, blue, and green if you want to actually show the bungee. So I've secured that into the hair and created a ponytail. I left the front sections down. They'll go back up a little bit later, but I wanted to leave some soft hair around the face. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm taking a filler. Some people call it a donut. This one opens and has snaps. So I'm gonna snap those and secure that right at the base. That's gonna add lots of volume. And if you think about like when we are creating bases, we need something for the hair to stick into as well. Kind of like, you know, flower shops, they have those green fillers put in the bottom of the vase. It kind of helps like that way too, so that you can pin the hair into that piece as well. So I'm taking small sections now, and I'm going to take baby clear elastics, and I'm going to wrap them down the hair. If I had longer hair, I would do more, but for the model's hair here, I'm just adding 2 pieces in, so it's super fast to be able to do. The cool thing about this is that I actually didn't even set her hair at all, and I've done it where I have set the hair, and it can give the hair a little bit more bend if the hair is super straight, but honestly you can do it without the hair being set or curled in any way, which is why I really love it, because it's very, very quick to do. I've even done this style where it's been higher up on top of the head, and I've done it lower, so it's been more like a base lower style. I'm gonna put some of those pictures up on my Instagram as well, so check those out because it's a super cool look to be able to transform anyone that you want to give them a really nice chignon. Now, right here I have the Japanese pins. They are my fave. They're a textured U-pin, and they're super expensive, but honestly, they're so, so good to use. And I'm securing the donut to her hair so that it's not gonna move from the base. Now I'm spreading and opening up the sections. That's why the elastics are there, because it's gonna hold that style. And I'll use a little bit of hairspray, in this case Infinium 4, and I'm spreading and opening these pieces, and now I'm shaping it, and I need to cover the donut that's there. So I'm making sure that I create a really cool shape, and I'm moving them around so that you get up and down and across, and just wrapping that hair ever so beautifully and just covering up the donut. The Infinium is going to help so that the hair isn't as soft. It'll give it some texture and keep that, the hair, you know, it'll just keep it in the places that we want it to be. And I'm still using the U-pins to secure the hair into the base. And if you think about decorating flowers, you know, that green foam that they have in the bottom of a vase, this is kind of like the same idea, the same concept, because I'm now able to poke those U-pins into that base and create this style really easily, and it's gonna stay. So you can already see the shape is there. I'm just adjusting a few pieces, loosening it up a bit around the scalp area, and now we're going to shape this front. So I want to give her a little bit of lift, back combing a bit with my Mason Pearson brush, and now I'm taking a flat iron and I'm just kind of twirling it like you're curling ribbon on a holiday gift. This one is the Pure Code flat iron. It has a heat protecting barrier in there, so it protects the hair with a heat oil that's inside of it. Super cool. I have another video on that if you want to take a look at that tool. And so this was actually a class that I was teaching at the Academy here in New York City, the L'Oreal Professional Academy. I teach there all the time. This is a bridal styling class that I was doing a little while back, and it's a 2-day program where hairstylists come from all over the world to take classes from the best of the best who come to the academy to teach. And I'm one of the instructors that are there, and I really love meeting everyone and just enjoying those classes. We have intimate classes. Usually they're smaller groups, and everyone gets to do a lot of hands-on as well as watching demos. So it's a fun way to be able to build your community, meet some new people, and learn some great new styles to take back to the salon, or if you're an on-set hairstylist or a bridal stylist, it's a great way to just take your skills to the next level. And now I'm adding my favorite accessory, the hair vine. And here's our finished look, you guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. I want to hear from you, so please ask me any questions, leave your comments, and make sure to subscribe because I'm uploading new video tutorials all the time, and I definitely want to hear from you. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.